under the sun, with dirt on my hands, planting my dreams in these little lands. They say I'm crazy, lost in the clay, but I know my passion will bloom.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lele and I am so excited to share my gardening journey with you. Back to Myanmar, I was a good gardener. I love growing my own plants and herbs. But now that I am in England, I am a novice gardener learning how to grow in a completely different climate. It's a new challenge, but I'm enjoying every step of the way. Today, I want to show you my Myanmar Basil or lemon basil seedlings. I started germinating this on February 10, 2025, and now after more than 15 days, they have grown well. This plant is one of my favorites because it gave me the true taste of Myanmar. Its fresh aroma and flavor remind me of home, and I love using it in my cooking. In this video, I will show you exactly how I germinated, step by step, and share my progress. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Seasons change, but I still believe.
I started with high-quality Myanmar basil seeds. To give them the best chance of germinating, I use seeds and cotton compost. This type of soil is light, drains well, and helps the seeds sprout easily. I also prepare small containers with good drainage to prevent overwatering, which is important for healthy seedlings.
Flowers will rise, the fruits will be sweet. Every bloom sings my heartbeat. Laugh all you want, call me a fool, but nature is my canvas, my hands are my tools. So lay, keep dreaming, keep planting, keep believing. One day they'll see them finally say, your passion was worth it. Come on now.
I carefully sprinkle the seeds over the moist soil and cover them with a thin layer, just enough to keep them secure, but stay allowed light to reach them. Since basil seeds are tiny, they don't need to be buried too deep. After that, I gently mix the surface with water to keep it moist without disturbing the seeds.
Lay, keep dreaming, keep planting, keep believing. One day they'll see, they'll finally say, your passion was worth it. Come what may. Lay, you are crazy. They laugh and say it won't stay. Lay, you are the one crazy, but my passion will be worth it one day. You can tell me I'm crazy. My passion will be worth it too.
It stays cold in the UK. I cover the trees with fleece to help retain warmth and moisture. This creates the perfect environment for germination and protect the seeds from sudden temperature changes. I check on them daily to make sure the soil didn't dry out and lightly mist when needed.
Burmese clay, we trade our lives for political.
After some days, I started seeing tiny green shoots appear. It's always exciting to see the first sprout. At this stage, I continue to keep the soil moist and make sure they have enough warmth. I also remove the fleece once they started sprouting, so they could get more light. Now, more than 15 days, my basil is growing. But since the weather is stable, they are taking a bit longer to get bigger. Even though they are not ready for the transplanting yet, I can see steady progress. At this stage, I continue to keep them warm and make sure to get enough light, so they can grow strong before moving them outside. Since it is stay cold, I won't be transplanting them just yet. I expect they will be ready by the end of March. Until then, I will keep them in a warm spot and give them enough light to help them grow. Once the weather gets warmer, I will gradually introduce them to the outdoor condition before transplanting them into bigger pots or the garden. Greenhouse bursting with life and food. Flowers will bloom, I'm going to put my seed tray in my garden room near the window to get enough light and warmth. And that's how I successfully germinated Myanmar Basil. They are healthy and coming along nicely. Since I'm a new gardener, I'm still learning as I go, and I would love to hear from you if you have any tips or experience growing Myanmar Basil. Please share them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget like, subscribe, and join me on this gardening journey. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Raindrops whisper, roots run deep. Flowers will rise, the fruits will be sweet. Every bloom sings my heartbeat. Laugh all you want, call me a fool, but nature is my canvas, my hands are my tools. So let it lay, keep dreaming, keep planting, keep believing. One day they'll see, they'll finally say your passion was